Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to ANIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Daily University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, page number 3 to 5, discussion. Okay, today's topic is chapter 1, page number 3 to 5, discussion. Term half yearly, today's lecture number 2 and HW number 1. Okay, dear students, firstly I want to discuss some information about previous class. We have already discussed in the previous class about definition of Aqaid and definition of Tawheed, and then we discussed of importance and significance of Tawheed. Okay, dear students, firstly I want to repeat definition of Tawheed. Tawheed is an Arabic word. It means oneness or monotheism. And according to Islamic terminology, to believe that Allah is one and unique and there is no one co-equal to Him is known as Tawheed. Okay, dear students, we have already discussed in the previous class about importance and significance of Tawheed. There are 5 points, such as we have already discussed that Tawheed is the most important and prominent things of the Islamic Sharia, because Allah the Almighty firstly ordered in the Holy Quran, Qul huwallahu ahad, say O Muhammad, Allah is one, Allahu samad, Allah is self-sufficient. Lam yalid wa lam yulad, he is not nor he is begot or nor was he begotten. Walam yakullahu kufuwan ahad, and there is no one co-equal to him. This is the very important order according to oneness of Almighty Allah, which is called Tawheed in Islamic Sharia. Okay, and we also discussed in the previous class the rules and regulations of Islam are depend on Tawheed. Every rules and regulations of Islam are depend on the Tawheed. So it is very important in the Islamic life. And also discussed about believe in Tawheed being success for human being. If any person believe in Tawheed, then he will be succeed in his every sphere of life, and he will go to the Jannah in hereafter life. And also is discussed Tawheed brings mankind the sense of oneness, one nationism. If any human beings believe on Tawheed, they can join each other and they can follow each other and they can also help each other. And also discuss believe in Tawheed makes a man dependent on Allah. If any person depend on Almighty Allah, then he will all time depend on Allah. If he falls in any dilemma or any problem, then he all time depends on Almighty Allah. Okay, dear students, now I want to today discuss point number 6, importance and significance of Tawheed. Firstly, I discussed previous class, because today we start from the point number 6, the importance and significance of Tawheed. Firstly, I discussed point number 1 to 5. Now point number 5, point number 6, Allah controls fruits, grains, beasts and birds. Okay, dear students, we know that there are a lot of beasts, birds, and there are a lot of trees and fruits. Allah the Almighty everything's controlled, because every creation of the earth, they make different kinds of sound, such as crow makes sound ka ka, and cow makes sound hamba, and also cat makes sound mew mew, and there is any creations of the earth don't make sound of other animal. So we know that only one controller control them. If don't control them, then they make a lot of sound and then make a lot of clashes in this earth. Okay, and point number 7, importance and significance of Tawheed. Almighty Allah is the creator of everything. Okay, dear students, we know that Almighty Allah is the creator of everything of this earth, such as sun, moon, water, air, hills, mountains, etc. Allah the Almighty created everything. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, "Law kana fihima alihatun illallahu lafasadata." If there is more than one God on this earth and heaven both will be destroyed. Okay, this surah is Surah Al-Anbiya, verse number 22. Point number 8, importance and significance of Tawheed. If there were more than God, each God would get separated with all their creations. Okay, dear students, if there were more than one God on this earth, then every God will be separated from other gods with his creations. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا كَانَ مَعَهُ مِنْ إِلَٰهٍ إِذَا لَّذَهَبَ كُلٌّ إِلَٰهٍ بِمَا خَلَقَ وَلَعَلَى بَعْضُهُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ. If there are more than one God with the Almighty Allah, كُلُّ إِلَٰهٍ بِمَا خَلَقَ وَلَعَلَى بَعْضُهُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ, then every God would get separated with all their creations and they oppressed each other. Okay, dear students, when we see that all the earth are controlling with only powerful Almighty Allah, and there is no dilemma and there is no problem and there is no clashes on this earth. So we think that Allah is only all powerful and only all creator, and he is the only one. Okay, and point number 9 and last point about the importance and significance of Tawheed is, one God destroyed other God by his own creations. Okay, dear students, if there are more than one God on this earth, then every God destroyed the other gods by his creations. Such as if there are more than one God is about the owner of fire, and another God is the owner of the seas or oceans. Then whose God is the owner of the fire, then he wished to destroy the all gods and all creations by his fire, and he dominate the all over the earth. And another God wishes to that he fall down and he lift all the earth by his oceans or seas. But it is not impossible, because only Almighty Allah is the creator of everything. There is no other God without Allah. So it is not impossible. And one day Allah will destroy everything by his order or by his wish. Such as this is called the Qiyamah. This is called the Doomsday. Without Doomsday, everything of this earth will be stayed his present position. Okay, dear students, this is the lecture today's about the importance and significance of Tawheed, half part. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Now I want to give your HW. Today's HW number 1. HW number 1, and headline of HW, write any 7 informative sentence informative sentence 1. The basis of chapter 1 lesson 1. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood the topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, and you have to do your HW and submit your HW on every Saturday. And it will be very good to collect 2 set of copies of HW. 1 copy submit next Saturday and collect another copies on other Saturdays. Okay, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.